It was a lucky Thursday for India at the Rio Olympics. Indian daughter PV Sindhu, who is making India proud with her badminton skills in Rio Olympics, advanced to the finals, beating world number 2. Tweets congratulating the Olympian have been pouring in from celebs including Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Aamir Khan, Kiran Bedi, Hema Malini and many others. PV Sindhu's entry to the finals has assured India with a silver medal in the ladies singles badminton tournament. Sindhu will be battling in finals with two-time world champion Carolina Marin. Newzstreet Desk.